Next, let us look at the nature and the purpose of law of evidence in civil and criminal cases. Here we will touch upon the concept of standard of proof. In civil cases, the acceptable standard of proof is usually preponderance of probability, which essentially means that the proof is required to prove that it is more probable than not that what the litigant or the claimant is claiming is true. In other words, the purpose of evidence in civil cases is to help the court in deciding which version of the events is more likely to be true. In criminal cases, the standard of proof is much higher. The prosecution, which is the state, has to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that the accused has committed the crime. The logic behind this difference is quite simple. In criminal trials, the potential consequences, such as the imprisonment or fines or even capital punishment, are so severe that the prosecution must prove beyond any reasonable doubt that the accused has actually committed the crime. On the other hand, in civil cases, the disputes are usually over issues like contracts, property, or torts, where the outcome may involve restitution or financial compensation rather than a loss of liberty. So the standard of proof required in civil cases is lower.